Nowadays, artificial intelligence can do almost anything for you. Draw, write books, compose music, and much more. But what if I told you that AI can also help you make money? With the AI-powered Scorpio TradeBot, I turned just $50 into over $200,000 in a month by trading on Pocket Option. The results are truly incredible. Pocket Option can literally become your own money printing machine. In this video, I'll show you how to start trading completely for free and achieve similar results. You'll see how everything works in real market conditions. So where do we begin? Go to the Scorpio TradeBot, click on the link, and open a new Pocket Option account. Then, top it up for at least $50 using any payment method you want, and you can start earning. Today, we will start with $50. I choose a currency pair with a high winning percentage, and then I set the time and open a deal on a signal from the bot. You can work with one currency pair, but I show you how the bot works with others. And sometimes I change the time and the amount of the bet. This is the result we got by trading with our bot. Follow the link, register, and trade wisely. In order not to miss new videos and stay tuned on updates, subscribe and click the bell.